here's a little bit of an update. I put some nice metal here to keep myself from getting cut open whenever I probably wreck this thing. I had this side already done, and I've done this side this morning. I'm going to paint it black just like that one. But I decided, well, the steering is rather sloppy in the axle. It goes back and forth. I swapped the axle out, but that axle is still, this part's all worn. But what we're going to do is we're going to weld it solid. And to do that, I put it up on 2 2x4s. The jack is just there. But if I push it down, I'll actually pull it up. What it is it's frame twist. It's lawnmowers from 1995, I think. At least the frame is. The rest is not, except for the floorboards. Close enough. We're going to weld it solid, like a go-kart, so they don't die. Okay. Let me get a rod. What I have for a rod is a E7018 half burnt, because there's a bunch of these laying around. So let me turn her up to 90 amps and blow through the axle. I want it on the frame. Probably want this on the frame. Get rid of the 6013. Let me move you. Okay. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the rod and welding there and only there. I'll weld some in the inside. So let me make sure the axle's actually centered. That may prevent some difficulties. Give me a second, let me figure out what I'm going to actually do. You know what? I'm just going to weld. If I mess up, I'll just cut it. Blind myself a little bit. Give me a second. Crappiest weld on the planet. Burn off a little bit of that grease. I'm going to go around my axle real quick with this. some good meat around that axle. I don't think my camera likes that because I just watched it and it like went dark. I don't know, doesn't matter. It's whatever it wants to do. Let me get that other side welded and we'll see how it is. Alright, I got it welded solid, so now let me jack it back up and I'll put the tires back on it. A lot of that smoke is just a lot of that grease that's on this thing burning off. There's tons of it on the frame. I need to clean it. That's what I need to do. I'll do a little washing on this. Maybe not. Let me get a pair of pliers. Okay. See how that turned on the steering part. Just playing the steering wheel still in the first gen steering, but other than that, the front end is not. Only play that's in it. Whoops. Only play that's in it is in the rod that goes across the frame. So it's a lot better than what it was. It's probably gonna break. It's probably gonna break out around the weld or something. Or whatever. And yes, I'm putting a 12 1/2 horse Briggs on it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next part. Thanks for watching. See ya.